Hi everybody, it's Artist King here and welcome back to my channel. I am so happy that you decided to tune in today for another video. I cannot believe it is May 28th and it is cold. It is freezing. I had to turn my heat back on today. This weather is just really crazy. It gets crazier every year. But anyway, today I'm gonna do it's a collage. It's a combination of a number of things with this piece. I did a pour painting. As you can see, there's all these beautiful colors on there, and I've had the painting sitting in a corner for a while, so I thought, well, let's see what I can do, if I can do a collage out of it. So it's like a combination of a number of things on here. So I decided to title this one, it's Raining Man. I got some shirtless, half-naked men again and put them in this piece. So just kind of sit back and relax and check it out, and just put something in the comments, make a comment, share the video if you like it, or just like the video, subscribe to the channel. Whatever you feel you need to do right now, it's fine with me. So enjoy the video and I'll come back like I normally do at the end. Okay?
You special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love, best friend, and big family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Oh, yeah. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love, best friend, and big family. Me something we want to. When I see the dream we're chasing true, we don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily we're free to be first class, riding casually, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight, I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning, I wanna be the one that you calling. As I see you in the future with me, I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family. I wanna know it tonight, I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning, I wanna be the one that you calling. As I see you in the future with me, I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family. Anything that you do now, everything that you do, everything that you do now. Oh, no, 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 no.
Okay guys, so I am back. It's almost the end of the video, and let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this, if you didn't, leave me a comment, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. As I said before, if you feel like something, you want to do it, I'm okay with that. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget my Instagram, art by W King, and my website, artbyking.net. If you can check my Instagram, that's where I post every single thing that I do. I post it there. So you'll see more of my work on Instagram. And I guess thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope you come back, and I'll see you next time, okay? Alright, bye now.